Oh, greetings, Goose morning. Caroline?
Yes.
It's exciting.
I know. We are having a new addition to the farm.
It's another animal. What have we got here?
It's a kind of animal. It's not an emu.
So, not an emu. We got something new come to the farm. Thanks to John and John here. Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much. And Julia, who is doing a brilliant job here. So this is what does it call, Chris?
I call it a mango grinder, but it could be anything. Look, this is Julia's birthday present. We like to spoil Julia because she loves. So will it work? So Ellie's there. Anticipation. Oh,
I got it. That's it.
oh my goodness.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, the pigs are gonna be happy.
Oh wow, this is good. Look at this.
That makes things easy. Imagine having to do that with one little knife.
Which Julia normally does.
I have been known to peel carrots.
Yeah. Well, bees can have a look as well. So what do you think of your birthday present?
It's the best, most unusual birthday present I've ever had.
Oh, sorry we didn't wrap it. But thank you to John. Oh, the emu's going to have a look.
Thank you for collecting it.
Yeah, thank you, John. Thank you very much. On behalf of the Canehill Countryside Shed, it works. Oh, this is. Oh yeah, it's going to fall off. Yeah. But look, that is.
It's in such lovely condition, isn't it?
Well, he's done it up well. You know, when I saw it there, because I seen
a chopper pilot.
He was.
Wasn't he, John?
Was he?
Sorry? Helicopter pilot.
Yes.
Oh wow.
He was a helicopter pilot off the North Sea.
Oh my goodness. But that has been done up immaculately, hasn't it? That is.
Don't put your fingers in.
Yeah. So you're impressed?
I am so impressed. I want to try it.
So this could be tomorrow's stew.
Bagel in.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
It does.
Wow. Now we can do some bagels mix.
This is what a beautiful start. Julia's going to be like so excited now.
I said they've shut round my
Yeah. Oh.
Relocated.
So there we have it, live at the Canehill Countryside Centre. We have so what was it, a root chopper, or but it should be a mango grinder. I remember my mango wurzel. Yeah, my granddad used to have one on this farm.
Emu?
Quish, it's got some good food here. It's got some good food. Quish, it's very appealing. I know it's very appealing. All the vegetables there. So thank you, and on a lovely rainy day, thank you for being there. for me, Ellie, Caroline, and of course, thank you for being there. Bye, everybody. Bye. The bird will be seeing this now, thinking they've gone crazy.
Go on.
Yeah.